Alright, I got a little warning about keys. Shaft keys. See how this pulley is about to fuck right off? That key's sticking out like that. Well, eventually, that key is going to fly out, and then this pulley's going to spin on the shaft, and it's going to gall the shaft up really bad. Now, arguably, this pulley was probably misaligned. Yeah, see, it's not even tight. So that's part of the problem there. But if you don't want your shaft to get all galled up, you make something called a safety key. It's got a little tab there. So that key is never going to leave before the pulley leaves. It's always captive in there. So that pulley is always going to stay in there. Just jammed it up really good. So that's a set. So those guys will stay together. So as long as that pulley's on there, that key's not going to drift. This key will drift unless you use, like Loctite on it or something. So I've galled a couple shafts so far, and I'm not happy about that. So I made safety keys, which is really nice. And by the time you catch it, pulley's out here, it's still not going to spin off the shaft. So it gives you time to catch it before something bad really happens. Anyway, just wanted to, little PSA. You could weld a little tab on there if you wanted to. I machined this one out of 1018. Took 15 minutes. I just eyeballed it. I didn't even do layout on it. I just eyeballed it from this key. So it's not even that hard to do. But if you want to put a little weld bead on there or something, that'd work great too. So just know that if you use a standard key, this may be your fate, and you may look at a really chewed up shaft as a result.